Cha'ali Kai Okihe 117. Fabulous ocean front with a beach right at your toes location. This is a single level, 1 bedroom, 1 full bath on the ground floor. This single level makes it so easy. You have a fabulous living room with 2 pull-out couches. Really convenient for the family. Good sized kitchen with a fabulous ocean view, by the way. And you got a washer dryer as well, which is really a perk for most 1 bedroom units. We have a shower over tub bathroom. And a wonderful bedroom. All in proximity to where you can get coffee, groceries, and fine dining. Welcome to paradise. Thanks for looking.